found on the LMC website. I'll put the screenshot right here. So as you can see, the bracket for the driver's side actually looks different than what I have. This one has been modified.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so I'm over here. Got my partner in crime with me, Cortez.
What it do?
Like, putting this bumper bracket on there so we can get it done. I thought I was gonna have to go order some more stuff, but I think we're gonna be good to go. With some hardware from my local home base, the knockoff Lowe's. Yeah. So I'm gonna get these bolted up, and then we'll get the bumper on there bolted on. So y'all here. Got these from we got a nice little noose. Nice new shiny bolts.
Gotta tell them a secret?
Nope.
Gotta tell them a secret? I see what's going on.
So,
we go ahead this. Okay.
We got the bolts. Got the bolts from the OC truck for the actual bumper, the bolts onto there.
Fuck that.
And those bolts is
these bolts right here? Yeah.
Got you back on.
You have to better reading things and shit, my bad. Okay,
there you go. Alright.
Oh shit. Oh, recording?
Who?
I'm recording now, nigga. Oh. I wasn't recording. My bad. See, that's what happens when you get the damn drunk help to record some shit. I was being quiet in the motherfucker, zooming in and everything. He just said a lot of shit, y'all. Subscribers, but
He just said a lot of shit.
yeah, that might be helpful. I fucked up. Motherfucker wasn't here. I thought I was recording. This is what happens when you get some bougie ass help over here. Anywho, right now he putting a new bumper bracket on, y'all. He just explained some other shit. Woody whoop, as he say, woo woo. But look at him. Got him in live action, y'all. Oh, I'm glad I'm recording now. Now we in struggles. We in struggles of the LS254 nation. Struggling with a simple ass boat.
I was curious because like the way that they should do it.
Well, the other one when it was on there, like I said, it came off like that, man. So I don't know.
I'm curious how it would sit on there without this one. I think I'm gonna look at that one. This one ain't even really lining up with it's supposed to.
Remember the original one was already cockeyed.
Yeah.
That's why we took the motherfucker off. We identifying weaknesses right now, y'all. Live.
So we'll just we'll scratch that one. It's like $20 on LMC.
Yeah.
Go from there.
That one there got some fire in my gruff. If y'all don't know.
It looked like something.
Like somebody took like a plasma cutter and did some shit right here to it. That, yeah. And now it doesn't even want to line back up right. But the original bumper was already cocked in sideways on that part there. So I don't even know. Yeah, damn, I just missed the whole recording of what he had going on, y'all. Anywho. Bruh. This thing keeps unrecording. Uh-oh, now it's recording and you done fucked up. Is there a timeout on this damn iPhone? So what's happening? I didn't touch the motherfucker again. I was trying to be a good cameraman. Well, y'all missed like 5 minutes of bullshit. But anyways, though, we was discussing that he has a new bumper that I've never seen. All right, and I get live exclusives without paying my membership fees over here. This one here has the air brakes on the bottom, which I'm really jelly of right now, and I want it. Because that one right there is like the Monte Carlos, the Cutlasses, or whatever else, super sport shit that directs the air up inside the vehicle. with the brace on the bottom. If you subscribe, you probably know what I'm talking about. Anyway, though, I don't know where the fuck I got this bumper from, but that ain't the shit that fucking I acquired for him.
So this one should be close enough to where.
Where you get this bumper from, man?
That's my boy Mike.
Your boy Mike who? Mike with the Monte Carlo?
Yeah, Mike with the Monte Carlo. You know Mike with the Monte Carlo?
The 70?
No.
Oh, okay.
He's like a 80.
Alright. I'm talking about no, not 80s. I'm talking about your boy, Jay's Garage Boy.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, yeah. Okay. We still cool then, nigga. Jay knew what I'm talking about. Mike cool than the motherfucker though. Mike trying to get some bullshit over on me. I ain't fucking with Mike for that bullshit. I ain't falling for the trickery. Y'all see his struggle's real right now. Oh, okay. I see the vision.
Now that shit is like. We don't get a bitch on in college though. That's good enough for government work. So that's what it's gonna look like. I'll finish tightening down the bolts. Identify your weakness.
Is it?
That's it.
That's all you want me to do?
Yeah.
I've been fucking up since I've been trying to record. This is the reason why I've been fucking up.
Sponsored by Budweiser.
Yeah, sponsored by Budweiser and LMC truck. If y'all didn't know, we got like 2 more sponsors like today. Like right now, live. If you only know this shit, if you paying for the subscription, if you ain't, you don't even know it. Crazy. We need a bumper, man. Oh, you can cut me up.
Alright, so we got the bumper on with just the one side, one bracket on this side. I mean, honestly, you can't even tell that it's not there. And that's all that matters to me, honestly. Give y'all a shot. Turn it on and hit the headlights for you. Oh yeah, that's hot right there. That is hot. Yeah, that right there is hot, man. Look a whole lot better. The front bumper wasn't nowhere near as bad condition as the back. It was nowhere near as bad as condition as the back bumper, but it's on there. It looks good. We'll get the little pieces that go off in there to hold the license plate. We'll be good to go. This one getting classic plates, so we can put whatever we want to on the front, the same way we did on the box Chevy. I mean, we probably won't go with the same exact plate. Maybe something that say C10 or something. I don't fucking know. But yeah, with the bumpers on and the mirrors on, it's starting to look like a truck now. I still didn't clean this side of the bumper here, but that don't look too bad. Clean up the other side, be good to go. See, the C10 is on its way to glory. Still got to do a drop, probably like an axle flip in the back, 3-inch drop in the front, do the springs. I'm saying, bring it down some. I know I could go with like a thicker tire as well, that would help it, but we'll see. We will see. So Till the next time, man, it's your boy LSRod254. Remember, turn the lights out. See how I can see the bumper without the lights blinding you. Yeah, man. Till next time, it's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so now truck. One thing I was kind of worried about was if the bumpers if it was gonna fit in here with the bumpers, but don't look to be an issue. It was like barely, I got really close to that transmission, but eventually that'll be moving out of the way. So we won't have no issue at all right there. So there she sits. And if you're worrying about the hood, don't worry, the hood will be back shortly. Video update coming on that. But yeah, she ready. She ready. Or should I say he ready?